Hi, welcome to Bag Ladybird Learn to Sew. So today I'm going to be showing you the quick and easy way to unpick overlocker stitches. If you've ever tried to unpick overlocker stitches before, you will know it's a little bit of a pain. But if I show you this quick way, you'll be unpicking overlocker stitches with ease.
Okay, so we've got two pieces of overlocking here. This first one was done with a stitch length of 3 and this one has been done with a stitch length of 4. I'm going to show you first of all on the stitch length 4 how to quickly and easily unpick your overlocking. So on here what we have got, you can see the different colours. So we've got an orange thread doing a straight stitch and a blue thread doing a straight stitch along your fabric. And the key to removing your overlocker stitches is to removing these two needle threads, and then the loopers will fall away. So the easiest way with a really sharp unpicker is just to go between the looper stitches and break your needle threads. So if you break the needle threads in a couple of places, then what you can usually do, it's too long a piece, but you can pull out these needle threads like so. So you're completely ignoring the looper threads, and then the looper threads just fall away. So I'll show you that again on this section. So we'll break the needle threads and then pull those needle threads out, and the looper threads fall away. Okay. So the longer sections of needle threads you can remove, the quicker and easier it will be to remove your looper threads. So the needle threads, and then the looper threads just fall away. Okay, so that was slightly easier because it was a longer stitch length. I'm going to show you on a stitch length of 3, which would be more commonly what you sew with, but the technique is exactly the same. So you're breaking those needle threads, you're not even touching the looper threads, so you just, on here it's easier to see because we've got them all in different colours, but you just break your needle threads, pull out your needle threads, and then the looper threads follow. So you don't even need to break your needle threads break your looper threads at all, they just fall away. Easy as pie. So next time you need to unpick your overlocking, try this technique and I'm guaranteed you will find it much easier.
If you've enjoyed this video and want more great Learn to Sew content to help make you a better dressmaker, you can join me over at the Learn to Sew membership club. The link's in the description box below.